Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival. Today I'll be showing you how to make text and video ads using the Legend app. So without wasting much time, let's head into Legend app. So this is our Legend app. I just opened it. So each time you open it, it will always put up a write-up on the screen. So you edit it and put in anything you want to, any text you want it to animate. So let me just put something like learn from the experts. Learn from the experts. Okay, for this my write up, I think I want to capitalize each of them. Okay, capital E, capital T, and capital F. I think I'm very much okay with it like this. Learn from the experts. So now this is the write-up. Actually, there are three ways you can add a background to it. One, you can use your camera to snap a live photo. Second one, you can use an already designed background from the app. And then third one, you can use a picture from your gallery. So let's explore it. So you click on that good here now. When you click on play, you see it gives you options. It comes up with a background from the application. So you can select from as many as possible. This is one. So now just down here, you have the options of choosing colors and background. While up here, you have the options of doing this, of changing the way your text animates. So let me take this now. You see to change the color. Then the way the text animates here, let me pick this one now, this frame. You see it will change. So that is it. So now we've tried using the background of the app, the background that is already designed in the app. Let's try using our picture. Now to use our picture, what you have to do is this. You click on this camera icon. So with that you can choose a picture. With that you can snap something and then use it as your background. So this is the camera icon. You see my camera is just up here. I just change it to the front camera and I'll snap. So you click on this good here and then the picture will load. You can crop it, you can edit it anyhow you want. Then I'll click on this again to pick in the picture. So you can see it, learn from the experts. So now let me click to play it. So you see it. Let me change the animation. You can see it, learn from the experts. I can as well change the color. You can see it, learn from the experts. So now let's try the third option, which is using picture from our gallery. So to use a picture from our gallery, what we have to do is this. To use a picture from our gallery, what we have to do is this. We will click on that. We'll click on this gallery icon here. We'll click on it. It's loading. And then you can scroll down. Okay, let me just pick this. So let me just pick this. Okay, and I'll click on this good here, or this mark here. You see what it looks like. Then I'll click on this middle icon, the play. So you can see what it looks like, though it's not bold enough. I'll change the color here. Let me try this out. Even this is not bold. Let me try this last one. I think this one is bold enough. So from here you can change the way it animates. Okay, so let me try this. You see it, learn from the experts. So I think this one is very much okay. So that's the much you can do. I've already shown you how you can use your camera to take a picture live, how you can use the generate a background from the app, and then how you can pick a picture from from your gallery. Then the next thing I need to show you now is your how you can export it. So there are settings. Take a look at this. Let me mark it out. Believe you can see this. So when you click on that now, you see it will give you options on how you want it to be exported. You have the square one, you have landscape, you have the that is the format. You have landscape, you have square. I don't want to touch it because I'm using a square and I'm okay with it. Then the size, you can choose to export it in 512p or 720p or 1080p. So most times I love going for quality things, so that's why I chose this 1080. You can choose any of this, but I'm using the 1080p. So you can click OK. I think I'm okay with the design I came up with. This learn from the expert, the animation, and then the background color. I think I'm okay with it. When you are done doing that, you then click on download. Just note that you can do one text animation at a time. Maybe if you want to do more, after doing this, you save it and then you do another one. So in when we start video editing proper, I will also show you how you can use this text ads in making cool videos and advertising your business, or you can also use it to do a paid job for a company or something like that. So to download this or to save this, you click on this download icon, which is here. This is the download icon. You just click on it and then it will download. So it gives us two options: save as GIF, save as video. I love saving mine as video. I love saving mine as video and not as GIF, but you can try the other one. So our video is saving. So our video has just been saved. So we can view it and we can go to our device to view it. If you go to your gallery, you will find your video there. So let's go to our gallery to check for it. Okay, let's look for legend. So this is legend and this is the video we just made. So that is how you make text and video ads using legend application. So for your assignment, so that is how you make text and video ads using legend app. So for your assignment, try to do a lot of text animations using the app. So in the next class, we will be putting it into practice. Thank you so much for watching. See you next class. God bless you.